Okay, so it is Friday, March 13th, 2:43 p.m. and I'm going to do it because I was looking at my fan fiction that was the story's based off of and what I have so far, and I haven't worked on it in a year, but I think I'm going to do it, and here's what I'm doing. So this is my drafted digital on my end, and I have this book for October 31st, 2027. We're going to change that. We're going to change that right now. And excuse if you can hear my bird. We're going to do this quickly. Okay, October 31st, 2026. Save and continue. I don't have a cover yet, which I'm going to work on. And 99 cents is where it's gonna, we'll do 1.99, yeah. All right. So it is now set for, go back to my books, October 31st, 2026. Because I was looking at everything, and I'm starting to look at it because my plan is during the vacation I'm going to be going on is to reread everything and take notes. And because it's not finished, never was finished, I had 10 parts, 10 chapters so far. And that's going to be the one thing that's going to get me rolling is basically deadline. So I did that and I feel very good about it. And I have my reading, it's not a Kindle, but it's my like Android device, my Box Palma that I'm going to take with me to read while I'm on vacation. And then I'm going to bring my free write to work on there, like with no distractions or nothing, on the beach, and work on writing the novel. And I feel very good about that because sometimes the one thing that's going to get me going is a deadline. So that's the deadline, and they give me a little leeway with starting school and stuff too. So I basically have the entire summer to write, post on Beta Reader, which I will put a link in the description of this vlog, a very short vlog, sorry. And yeah, that's what we're gonna do. So if you guys want to be alpha readers and help me along the journey, go visit the link down in the description. It'll be like the betareader.io. Fill out the information, request to be a reader, and then we're gonna get started throughout the summer. So I am excited about this. I don't know if I should put this on my vlog channel or my main channel, honestly. I could do either, but I feel like my main has more followers, so you guys can like come with me and join me on this. And sorry about lack of videos throughout all my channels lately. It's been a vlog these last 2 weeks with like emotionally and everything like that with the change, so which is bound to happen with a big change like that, but it happens. And yeah, so now I have the time, so might as well work on writing. So go visit the link, and I will see you guys next week or the week after with a video. So